guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Tatsuki. And guys, galing ko lang dito sa Goodwill. Goodwill. Oh. And guys, ito yung nabili natin. Bass Pro Shop. Bago pa guys. Flex ko lang. Guys, ito short. Harley guys. Yan. Size 34, $750. And guys, ito
Bago pa, may tag pa.
Banana Republic guys. Size 32, $750 guys. Yan. Mga bago pa yung short guys. Ito naman Quicksilver, size 30. Yan guys. Meron din tayong Fox guys. Fox size 30 guys. Hindi kasi sa akin, sayang. Maliit. Meron din tayong guys, Apam Kinit Cool from New York. And guys, size 34. Bago pa yan guys. Saka meron din ako tayong pants Lee. Yan guys, size 32, $10. Bago pa yan guys. Kaya kung babae ba to, lalaki yung nakalagay dito, may naman.
Lalaki.
At saka meron din tayong shirt na Harley, size 34 guys. Size 34. At saka meron din tayong isang t-shirt na kuha, yung ng cap guys, Bass Pro Shop. Ito yung partner ng Kalo guys, 850 naman guys. Partner ng Kalo. At Dallas guys, Paldo guys. Nakuha natin ng 1050 guys, Paldo. Kasi naman size ko guys, 34-30. Alam na guys. Alam na guys. Akin na to. Yan lang yung may price ko guys.